and the shoulders off of a button-up shirt and make it into a cool sleeveless top. Here we go. So the first thing you want to do is line up the sides of the button-up shirt, just like that, and then put it on its side. Make sure these are perfectly lined up, and we're going to start above one of the buttonholes and cut up right towards the collar and then around the back of the collar. So we'll cut in at an angle and then aim for that shoulder seam, and then now we can just cut off the collar completely. Perfect! And now when we flip it over, we see we have a V-neck. Now we're going to cut off one of the sleeves. So you just want to smooth out your fabric, make sure it's nice and smooth with no wrinkles. Make sure both armpit seams are lying on top of each other on both sides of the shirt. Start right below the armpit seam and curve up. Bam! So now we have one arm off, and now we'll lay this part that we cut off one side over top of this side so we can cut in the same shape. And here we go. Now just cut along the line of the piece you cut before. Just like that. And you're left with this cool sleeveless top. Dope! Thank you so much for watching.